This is such a mess. Oh, this robot. Big time. Well, that's an improvement. This is serious. I don't know how to get myself out of this. Ouch. Oh gosh.
Getting slapped in the face with a plastic arm to wake up was actually not as painful as it might look. Probably more humiliating than painful, actually. I really hope you like this video and this project. If you do, I suggest you press the like button and also that you subscribe to my channel where I'm gonna publish a lot more fun projects like these. And if you didn't like this video and you're like, I want my time back, then I'll just be like, no. You can't have your time back because now it's mine. And I just snorted it.